All right, you bozos, it's time for another tech tip at the Daxinator's Garage. Okay, we just did the tire rotation, so make sure you torque your wheels and your lug nuts. They're 76 foot-pounds on a Toyota. You can also look that up, with all you Facebook nerds. You can also do Google searches. So now we're gonna put on the hubcap. Okay, so what we do is we find the valve stem. We don't have a little cap on it just yet. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna line up the hubcap cover valve stem portion, and we're gonna go ahead and put it right like so. And then you can see, just like that, all you have to do is a little fist bump. Just a little fist bump, and it's on. Easy peasy. And that way, just so you know, it's all lined up. And that is your tech tip, you bozos, at the Daxinator's Garage.